Have you ever heard of giant saws that can swallow an entire tree trunk in just a few seconds? It's not science fiction, it's reality in modern forestry. They rushed at breakneck speed, knocking down tall old trees with ease, leaving everyone who saw them in awe. So how did they work? Let's explore. In just 3 minutes, a tall cedar tree, once a symbol of the power of nature, became a memory in the skillful hands of a lumberjack. The giants of the forest fell quickly, not because of weakness, but because of the power and precision of modern machines. Every cut is as sharp as a knife. Every movement is extremely perfect. This is not just work. This is mechanical strength, the perfect combination of engineering and craftsmanship. Some scrap metal, and a hydraulic press, the lumberjack created a powerful firewood splitting machine. Yes, the looks may not be perfect, but its performance and power are unquestionable. Indonesia, with its vast Kalimantan forest, is where the logging industry is booming. Trucks, with indescribable power, are the main warriors, reaching out over bumpy roads to bring wood from deep in the forest. Looking at the cars rushing through muddy roads, we can fully understand the power of machines and the bravery of drivers when fighting with nature to bring products to the world. Discover the outstanding power of CBI Stump Shear, the perfect solution for quick and optimal tree stump treatment. Please subscribe to the channel and immediately equip hydraulic stump shear for your mining work to save time and improve work productivity. It was a failed spruce felling because I cut too much at the top. I should have started from the bottom. The lesson learned is to carefully calculate and control each step to avoid mistakes next time. Oh, the cedar tree is a magical gift of nature, both warm and durable. Join us on an exciting adventure through a woodworking factory in Japan and discover the magic behind crafting this wonderful wood. Can you believe that this LKT-81 can pull a giant block of wood up to 20 meters long? No, this is not a typo. We are talking about a powerful machine with 3 times the normal capacity. This is a true powerhouse, built to last and withstand any challenge. So, do you think this warrior is the strongest machine in the industry? Let's introduce the HSM 405H2L, an extremely impressive harvester, designed to conquer the most demanding requirements in large-scale logging. With impressive capacity and outstanding stability, HSM 405H is truly the ideal solution for mechanized logging. At around $44,000, this is definitely a worthy investment for anyone looking to optimize operational efficiency and increase productivity in the logging industry. Prepare yourselves, friends, because we are about to witness the incredible feats of lumberjacks. Tree fellers in Asia are redefining bravery with no safety equipment, no safety ropes, just bare feet climbing towering tree trunks and felling them with a single saw. Unbelievable, right? But that's the truth. Wow, when the perfect or imperfecia presini. Productivity skyrocketed. Operators not only rejoiced, but seemed to be dancing in victory with joy. This combination really makes every mind awake and amazed. Surely you have been curious about how a machine can handle large and difficult tree stumps. Let's explore the combination of two impressive functions, bark cleaning and stump treatment. First, the bark layer is quickly removed. Then the Wurzel reduciera reduces the stump to make it easier to transport and handle. All are controlled manually, providing optimal flexibility for work. In a dramatic confrontation, the Style MS 661 and Style MS 500, I did not disappoint. Both machines demonstrated outstanding power and precision, making the competition intense every second. But the question remains, which chainsaw will emerge victorious in the end? Watching the truck loaded with lumber hurtle down the slippery, muddy hillside, it's impossible not to admire its power and control. Even though the road was bumpy and slippery, the car still steadfastly crossed it, proving the machine's outstanding power. Let's learn about great machines for farms or small carpentry workshops. With a simple but extremely effective design, it uses a bimetal saw wire that can cut wood, even metal in tree trunks such as nails or bullets, without having to grind or adjust teeth. In particular, this machine has a capacity of 4Q to help save operating costs, and the wheel system with anti-vibration V-belt makes all operations smooth and accurate, and the machine's lifespan is extremely impressive. This is why you need to keep a safe distance. These machines are no joke. Have you ever wondered how people can cut down old trees without a chainsaw? All thanks to saws and axes. Are you ready to see how it works? Watch this video and let me know what you think. I'm pretty sure that bridge isn't strong enough to withstand that truck. I really don't understand why they would risk trying to go through it. Have you ever dreamed of handling giant logs right in your backyard? Montana MD90 is a great solution for you. With a 33Q motor, this handheld miter saw can cut logs up to 900 m thick, turning them into beautiful works without any difficulty. Get ready to unleash the carpenter in you and create amazing things with the power of this machine. Surely, the felling of eucalyptus trees with Cunis diabate is carried out with peace of mind at Estrella in the course opera Oi Manutine O de Modosura. Participants learn how to use chainsaws and support tools correctly, helping to fell trees accurately and safely. With the Yanmar B 51990 excavator, the job of cutting down pine trees, leaning towards the house becomes light and secure. Equipped with exceptional power and precision, this excavator easily pushes trees down in the right direction, ensuring no damage to the surrounding area. The experienced operator, combined with the strong capabilities of the Yanmar B50, mastered the situation perfectly, bringing peace of mind to everyone. Can you believe it? With Groeneveldt's Stronken Killer, also known as Stump's Shear 500, dealing with tree stumps is now easier than ever. This machine is not only capable of cutting stubborn tree stumps in just a few seconds, saving you tremendous time and effort. Designed to withstand high impact, it operates so smoothly and precisely that you'll be amazed. This is truly an indispensable device in wood exploitation and processing. Bandit 2590 deserves the title of a true superhero in the woodworking industry. With outstanding strength, it can crush any type of wood in the blink of an eye. The operation is extremely simple. You just need to put the wood into the machine. The sharp blade will do the rest. Processed wood chips can be used as fertilizer, fuel, or for many other purposes. Logging in winter is always a big challenge, not only for workers, but also for their machines, as icy conditions make everything slippery and unstable. But when the John Deere 1110E appears, all challenges become light. With outstanding power from its powerful engine and the ability to overcome snow and ice, this machine is not only a symbol of strength, but also the perfect companion in extreme conditions. Guess what? This is the sequel to the question, can your 5-ton mini-machine do this? Using the Bobcat E50 to uproot a 32-inch long pine tree was, I must say, amazing. First, I dug around the base of the tree to break up any roots, then gently pried a corner to let it free. Then I turned it over to remove soil from around the roots, making the stump lighter. All these steps took me only 32 minutes to complete. DRAGONEFSA New Generation Forestry Mulcher, possessing a powerful 2-arm hammer design, a stable dual drive system, and a unique spiral rotor. The machine works effectively on all terrains, helping to disperse coating materials evenly and accurately, optimizing the forestry coating process. With DRAGONEFS, your work will become easier than ever. Pezzolato PTH 1400/820 ALLRO, a D is a monster in the wood chipping industry. With a powerful SCAN IA 550 HP engine, the machine can crush tree branches and bushes up to 560 m in diameter in just a blink of an eye. Impressive productivity of 140 m/h helps shorten working time significantly, bringing high efficiency to forestry projects and biomass production. In the lumberyard, large logs, up to 600 mm in diameter, often cannot be processed with conventional equipment. However, with Pezzolato TMTB 600, these bulky logs are easily and accurately cut, transformed into high-quality firewood for heating, cooking, and biomass energy production. The machine helps wood workshops optimize productivity, reduce resource waste, and contribute to environmental protection, promoting sustainable development in the wood processing industry. AWI RT 800 Big Stump multi-purpose wood crushing super product. The machine is not only powerful and efficient, but also very flexible. With the ability to attach to many types of vehicles, RT 800 easily operates on all terrains. The final product is small pieces of wood that can be recycled as biomass fuel, bringing high economic value. The forestry company Oberall Mine Corporation Schwiz specializes in the production of oak firewood from its own forests, with the participation of a team of skilled staff. All wood used is certified according to FSC-PEFC and Schweizerholz standards, ensuring quality and sustainability. Firewood, after being cut to length, split in half and packaged using a modern automatic splitter, will be dried and distributed to customers in the area in lengths of 25 km, 33 cm, and 50 cm, meeting needs for